starting this video vlog off in the dark since I forgot to start it when it was light out. So right now we're in Christmas, Michigan, heading to go ride snowmobiles in Seney. Right now we're about 45 minutes away. Been driving for about 9.5 hours. And yeah, update you when we get there. 10 hours later, we arrived in Seney, Michigan. A little dark out, but let's go see what Marshall and Sam are doing. I think they're in the shop. Eagle's Nest 500, baby! Good old snowbank unload. Alright, we just pulled it out. We said screw the snowbank. Time to take a lap around the ball diamond. Alright, little pre-ride, aka ripper on the ball diamond. Got the steed. Burn up our gas before we go ride. Alright, technically day one here. Well, day two, but phone, bro. Made some sausage, Marshall.
What's up, brother?
Ready for riding today?
Yeah.
Brekkie. And yeah, we're gonna go goof off today. Alright, so we're in Seney, Michigan here, getting ready to go ride, getting all geared up. Flood's warming up. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do a little trail ride today, probably goof off, hit some jumps, and just have fun on our snowmobiles. Alright, we're riding, we're trying to find the nest, but Marshall has no clue where we are.
No, I know where we are, I just don't know where the Eagle's Nest is.
Eagle's Nest 500 is getting delayed. Sam?
Dude, I'm trying to look for the Eagle's Nest online.
Where are we?
I think
We made it! We made it to the Eagle's Nest, baby! Woo! Where are we, Marshall?
We're acting like this isn't like the most popular off-trail fucking excursion there is.
Sam's gonna water skip the Eagle's Nest over there.
Let's go look at it.
Sam, you gonna jump it?
I don't know, I might.
Sam's gonna hit it. Let's go! No peer pressure at all. Oh, right across the water, baby. Eagle's Nest 500 is the start. Hey, hit it side by side with me.
I just hit it right there.
Let's hit it right here.
You get wet gloves though, so.
Alright,
where's Sam hit it at?
I don't know if bro's hitting it with me.
I'm not hitting it, son. You're not doing that one-handed.
Oh, gnarliest thing since Swiss bread. I don't know, Swiss cheese. What is he doing? What are you doing? We're at this bog doing some laps around like these moss piles. And I was like, Marshall, we're not gonna stub our ski in anything, huh?
Well, you gotta like time the holes. You can't just drive into them like he did.
With the mask, no shirt. Yeah, about lost the ski.
Coming Mountain Man. That's really got dude. Oh my God, my recording. Oh, I got the video. Oh. Basically, are out west. Oh, my foot slipped off the rainboard. Dude, I hit it, my front of my sled hit right where your center shock hit. Oh! What do you want it?
I don't know, dude. I think the fucking thermostat stopped, so it wasn't cycling coolant through it. I didn't even think of that. Look at that fucking cool.
Is it overheating?
Yeah.
Good thing.
So I think the thermostat's broke, but then that means it's not cycling coolant through.
Yeah. So where it's reading, where does it read at?
I don't know. I would assume
the thermostat's probably just never opening.
And then when it does, it's like, oh, it's fucking
hot.
Fuck, I can't ride this sled the rest of the weekend then.
We can put your mouse thermostat in.
Yeah, I don't know where the thermostat is.
Or fucking little Google on the old TV. What's his name?
Stranded.
Marshall, the layers blew up.
I think the thermostat stuck on this thing and just melted the fucking piston, so that's not good.
The Laris is down hard.
Oh, are you boys cuddling in here or what?
4, 5,
Dude, don't worry.
I got 7
I'm
followers.
fucking GoPro, dude.
The
I got the GoPro.
This better get in the book.
You can't see anything,
Wait,
dude.
Emily, please insert the housekeeping from Sled X13 on this. Please.
The fucking light switch doesn't turn anything on.
No, because if you shut the switch off, the fucking outlet doesn't work. So you gotta hit the old pole
Look
cord
at
over
these two fuckers.
You gotta hit
in
the
here.
old pole cord over there.
Back, day 2, getting geared up. Marshall.
Eagle's Nest!
Eagle's Nest, Sam.
Eagle's Nest!
Alright. Yeah, it rained a little bit last night. Not ideal. But we're supposed to get like 2 feet tonight. So tomorrow is gonna be insane. So yeah, check it out. Got the ice. Alright. No update, we're at the wall.
Fucking waypoint out here.
Yeah, we'll get some clips while we're here and yeah, just have fun.
I always thought about, you could start up there, right? Now this is big. But this isn't really out of line. Build a lip here, and you can make it to that other mound. It's clear. Besides that stump on the left, if you got to go in between that
There's
stump and
no
the...
way you make that.
Dude, guys out west jump bigger shit than this.
Yeah, but on that?
You'd have to build a lip, of course. Well, you start up at the top of that hill, hold it fucking wide open.
Dude.
The problem is it's a commit. Like, if you can't case that.
Get a shovel.
You're getting heli lifted out of here if you case
Get a shovel. Well, we're big mountaineers today. Marshall's, I don't know what he's doing. There cannot side hill on the trail sled. I am.
We're out west. What are you talking
Dude, this is, we are in Cook City right now, basically.
I might need some help with this.
I'm getting out of here. Oh! Ow! Oh, that's not good. I'm facing uphill. Figured out the problem. We need a taller bar riser. Get it! Too short a bar riser, baby. Mia's not on the seat. We got stuck. Drive it out. Drive it out. Yeah, this brown snow, I tell you. Never seen it before. There's 8 feet up here. We should not be hitting dirt. For when you ghost ride it. Oh! What is he doing? What is he doing? That was a sick line you did.
I know, it worked out pretty cool. I kind of cut him off. I didn't even realize. I thought he kept going up straight. No, I was trying to. That was a nasty line
That was.
for a cross country sled. And then it didn't really get that nasty there.
It doesn't look that. Camera just probably like, oh, they're just driving through a trail.
Yeah. I bet it'll look good on the 360 though.
What are you doing?
This kid snaked me, bro.
Snaked him.
No, this was just bad planning.
Alright, let's do the mountain maneuver. Pull it out.
Well, let me pull the windshield out.
No, you don't need windshield. What is you got for a ski rubber?
I need new pucks, bro. Leave me alone.
Alright, ready?
No. Mountain sled, fuck this.
Oh! I need to help you over there. Wait, I should probably pick up right here. Oh, what is that carbide?
He's looking at my cheater carbide. One more.
Alright, drive it out. I hit a tree.
This
All right, I'm gonna get back this way.
this is it.
Oh!
I don't think that's broke. I just think it's good.
I hit it hard, bro.
What? Dude, I don't think you're gonna be able to get that out.
1, 2.
Oh fuck! No way!
I got it. On. Let me get up.
Hold on. What the fuck is the plan after this?
Push it down. Marshall, what are we doing?
Get some gas.
93. I didn't know that was the thing in Michigan. I thought it was 91. Yeah, stay on the back for me. Bro, she doesn't move.
Get your fat ass off.
He's not gonna know. He's not gonna know. He's no. I'm just put it right here. He's not gonna know. He's not gonna. Go. Ah! You missed it. Hey, take the garbage out. It looks kind of full. Alcoholic beverage crash. Marshall and I got the maintenance session in the factory shop here.
Factory shop, dude. We got.
Oh, at least it's not cold in here. Better than outside. It's not raining in here. These are the take to put a track stand on. Jesus.
That's not a good track stand, though.
That is the best track stand. It's green. Arctic cat green.
Won't even lift the sled off the ground. Fingers.
Go. Good enough for what it's for.
Oh god.
That track's really off the ground.
Hey, Lou.
I'm doing clutching for the Eagle's Nest 500 in the morning. Pretty sure it's against the rules to touch your sled, but here we are.
Oh, you just fucking wrecked or
Yo.
ripped on yours.
I didn't do nothing. What are you talking about?
Oh, yeah. It's not, I don't have to hold the whole weight of the snowball.
That's gonna hold the snowball up. Huh?
Only the tunnel, dude. There's no skidding it, bro.
Bending with fucking 5 pounds of weight on it.
Well, we're finally getting some snow out here.
I'm hyped.
Marshall's so hyped. I got the fishbowl lines on right now. Look at your hair. You can't even see it. Look at the snow. About dang time. Alright, that wraps up day 2 here in Seney. It's getting snow right now. It doesn't look like we're gonna get our 2 feet we were hoping for, but yeah, we're getting fresh snow, so that's always good. But yeah, we'll get up tomorrow and go ride one last day. Alright, Seney trip last day here. Just getting geared up. And yeah, just got absolutely dumped on outside, but wind is ripping outside. I'll show you here real quick. Yeah, got a lot of snow. Snowplow was not there last night. But yeah, you have fun. Here's the little path that we got dumped on. Sam's over there putting down our side, getting our sleds out of the shop. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. Guys, stay home. The UP sucks. Stay home. Stay home. Unreal snow.
that fucking pine tree.
Marshall is not a mountain rider. The climb gear does not make you a mountain rider, Marshall.
What do you mean? I'm more mountain than 90% of the people up here.
You have a snow flap on still. I don't. I'm mountain.
Yeah, you do got a good point.
All right, everyone pull. Ah! 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 Oh, easy.
Wait, that wasn't that bad.
1, 2, 3. Oh, what? Dude, that was easy. Here, move. Oh, now you have to side hill it out. Alright, ride it out, pussy. Big mountain rider, big mountain rider. Big mountain. Oh, it's Frosty the Snowman. Marshall just got her. Dude, what are you doing? Wrexham sled got his sled stuck. Alright, we're going on a little night ride.
Earl.
Yeah. Basically, yeah. We want to go ride some more, so do a little trail loop and then go get something to eat. I know, my brake rotor was going.
Yeah.
I'm not even on it that hard either.
I didn't push on mine. I'm sure mine was. That's some hot Polaris tuning, brother.
You might want to run back across some quads.
That'll kill my ass.
Why? For getting stuck?
Yeah.
Alright, day 4, I think. Just left the cabin, and now we are heading home. Might stop and go ride with her on the way back. Don't know yet. See what time it is, but yeah, we're getting dumped on again here in Michigan. But I know we got a little bit of snow at home, but yeah, I'm gonna miss this place.